Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor. Hope you're doing well today. In this video, we're going to show you 4 features of the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC and something that you may not know about this headset. So let's dive into it right now. Okay, so this is a binaural headset, which just means it has 2 speakers like you see here. And one of the main selling points of this headset is that it has active noise cancellation, which is great. So when you put the headset on and the feature is on, it helps you really focus in on the call and zone out a lot of that background noise behind you. So you need to make sure to activate the feature, and to do it, you have to toggle this button switch over. So it's on right now. That's how to turn it off and then back on. So that is on the on position now. So there's that. And you also don't want to forget about your mute button. So this on the bottom side of the microphone boom, and that allows you to mute the microphone. So if you need to tell somebody, like for me, I'm working at home. So if my wife barges in on a meeting, I can mute the microphone and then I can talk to her and then resume the meeting or resume the phone call without disrupting what's going on there. And it's very convenient because it's just right there located at your thumb. Okay, and then another major feature that you may be missing out on with this wireless headset is remote answering. And what that is if you have a phone call going through your business communication software such as RingCentral, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, anything like that, you have the ability to be able to press a button on your headset and answer the call and end the call. So I'm going to show you how to get it set up and also show you an example of how it works. So let me switch over right now. Okay, so you have to download the Plantronics Hub, and I'll put a link in the comment section below so that you can download this software. But it's called Plantronics Hub, and it's a quick download. You have to have this software in order to get this feature. So I'm going to show you an example of RingCentral. So let me just pull it up here. And in RingCentral, you have this settings area. Now for some of the other applications out there, let me go back here to Plantronics Hub. If you go to settings and you go to soft phones, all you have to do is just select the software that you have here. So if you have any of these software platforms for your communication stuff, such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, they have the integration built right into the software, so you don't need any additional add-ons or plugins or anything like that. So for Microsoft Teams, for example, you just select that and save it on this. Go down here and hit apply. And then you'll automatically get that feature built in with your Microsoft Teams. But for RingCentral, you actually have to activate it on the software. And so if you go to settings, go to notifications and sound, scroll down to the very bottom here, and you'll see you have your microphone and speaker options. Then you see headset support. So you need to turn on this toggle switch right here so that it's blue. And as you can see here, now it recognizes the Plantronics Hub. You may need to go through a little download so that it gets this plugin. If you scroll down here, as you see, it says RC app plugin. So once this is connected, that's what's going to allow you to get this feature. So let me just make a quick test call to myself. Give me a second here. So let me go into RingCentral here. All right, so I'm making a phone call to myself. And as you see, there are phone calls coming in. Now, all you have to do is hit this button on the side. And as you can see there, let me do that again. And it just said answering call. And then now the phone call is on the headset. Now, if you do this again, you press the button again. And as you see, it hangs it up there. So it's that simple and that easy to be able to answer and end calls while away from the desk. So it's a huge benefit. Imagine you're up grabbing a cup of coffee and a phone call comes in. If you don't have this feature, you got to run back to your desk, or you have to choose to miss the call, which could, if you're in sales, could mean a potential lost sale, or if you're in service, you could create unhappy customers. So being more responsive and being able to answer those calls and end those calls is going to actually make you more productive and be an overall better experience for everybody involved. Okay, so two other features I want to show you really quick here. If you go to settings, you go to wireless. Now you have this feature for HD voice. So you want to make sure that is set to on if you want to have better audio quality. So that's going to basically take your phone call from being a standard definition phone call to a full HD wideband phone call. It's going to sound a lot better. And then the second thing here is extended range mode. So if you're at a limited range scenario, so let's say you wanted to grab that cup of coffee, but the headset wouldn't actually go that far to your coffee pot, you can switch the extended range mode to the on position so that you can get extra range. And in my experience, you get about 50 feet of max wireless range with most of these Bluetooth headsets. So they give a rating of 98 feet, but obviously there's walls and other obstructions in your home or in your office. So having that extended range is going to give your best possible chance of reaching the distance that you need. All right. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, new product reviews, microphone tests, all that type of content. So subscribe now, don't miss out. Other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks a lot for tuning in.